Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on using the database Opposing Viewpoints, also known as Gale in Context. This tutorial is going to walk you through basics of accessing, browsing, and searching this database. From the library homepage, click on Databases. From here, you can either search by the database name or click on O to pull up all databases beginning with the letter O. Click on Opposing Viewpoints. You may be prompted to log in with your CPP login credentials. This should bring you to the homepage of Opposing Viewpoints. Opposing Viewpoints is organized around issues. Let's say, for instance, we are looking for information on climate change. You can see when I type climate change into the search bar, several options appear. Anything labeled a topic guide will be listed first. Otherwise, the search will perform a keyword search through all items within the database. Once you arrive on a topic guide page, you can start by reading more about the topic on the overview. Remember, the overview is not considered a scholarly or peer-reviewed source. Think of it more like an encyclopedia entry. However, it will provide you related subjects, helpful articles, and an overview of the topic. If we return to the topic guide page, you can see that the recommended items are divided into categories, including academic journals, news, images, videos, statistics, and more. Click on any one of these categories to see items from this area. When I click on academic journals, you can see that now I'm viewing 2,886 articles related to global warming and climate change. These articles will also be marked as peer-reviewed if they are from peer-reviewed academic journals. Another helpful feature is called the Topic Finder. This allows visual learners to explore keywords and related topics in a visual format. Once you load the Topic Finder, it will display a list of subtopics of the keywords you are exploring. If you click on one of the subtopics, articles about that subtopic will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. You can also browse a list of issues covered by Opposing Viewpoints. Click Browse Issues at the top of your screen. Click any hyperlink to be taken to that issues page. Finally, you can use Opposing Viewpoints in a traditional database search as well. Click on Advanced Search next to the search bar to see field options, terms, and Boolean operators. For more information on how to use advanced search functionality, please check out our Research 101 video series. Thank you for watching, and please reach out to your librarians with any questions.